Fernley here. It's simply sensational to see you. Welcome to Wavy Alliterative Name with Fernley. For our project today, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil and an eraser, a straight edge of some kind, and some crayons or markers or coloured pencils made up of colours that go together nicely. A word about the colours. If you're using markers, do the background first with your lightest colours. If you're using coloured pencils or crayons, it doesn't matter which you do first, but do the writing with your darkest colour. Pick colours that go together nicely. I'm going to begin by drawing a gently wavy line near the top of my paper. Then I'm going to add 2 more wavy lines, more or less evenly spaced out, on the paper. Now I'm going to add a 4th wavy line, just a little tiny bit beneath the center wavy line, and I want to make sure that it matches the center line wave for wave. As you can see, the top and the bottom lines, it doesn't matter. The waves can be different. I said this was a wavy alliterative name, and alliteration means the same sound at the beginning of the word. My name is Fernley, so I've decided to be Fabulous Fernley. If my name was Susie, I might be Sensational Susie, or I might be Dynamite Dan. The same sound at the beginning of the words. When you draw your letters, you're going to put your alliterative adjective in the top section, making sure that your letters stretch from the very top line down to the next line, wherever the curves of the line take them. And then you're going to write your name in the bottom section, leaving a little space in between the 2 words. I had a little leftover space, so I made a heart. When you get your alliterative adjective and your name written in pencil, then you're going to go back through and colour over the top of your lettering with your darkest crayon. I'm kind of moving my crayon in small circles, little squiggles, 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 so that my letters look nice and dark. You can see that I'm doing little tiny loopy squiggles so that my letters are dark and thick. Like so. Remember that you can pause the video if you need more time. There we are, nice and thick and colourful. Now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to use my eraser and I'm going to erase the little wavy line part that I can still see. Like so. Now I'm going to make 2 marks on each of 3 edges of the paper. On the left side, the top, and the right. They don't have to be evenly spaced. They don't have to be perfect. You're just going to make 2 marks along each edge. Now, I'm going to make a little mark along the bottom edge of the paper. Just one. It doesn't have to be in the center, but close to it. And I'm going to draw a straight line very lightly from each mark along the outer edges to the mark at the center bottom. Like so. Nice and light with the pencil. Now, using my other colours, I'm going to very lightly colour in the wedges right on over the top of my lettering. Like so. Now that it looks like there's a spotlight shining on Fabulous Fernley, I'm going to go back over with my darkest colour and thicken up that lovely, luscious lettering. Thanks for making wavy, alliterative art with me today. Until we meet again, toodaloo.